Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a review and unboxing for you guys on the Insert Me Now Blowout. So I have this one right here. This is the Blowout hot tool, and I also have the crimper. So these were sent to me by Insert Name here, and I really want to say thank you so much for letting me review your products. And I have worked with them in the past before. I've tried their waiver and I really loved it. And if you guys have not seen that video, I'm gonna link it down below. I wanted to try these out as well because I wanted to see how they work. Now I do have my hair wet because I do have it ready for the blowout. So the blowout basically is a hot tool where you use it when your hair is wet. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly because I don't want my hair to dry and then, you know, it defeats the purpose of doing this video. So here is the blowout right here, and it comes in this box right here. It says that it's 1 inch wide and it has ceramic plates. And I really love the fact that their hot tools are pink. I just love it because you guys know I love the color pink. And the cool thing is they also give you like this little user's manual. So it does tell you like how to use it. The blowout looks like this. I have high hopes for it. So we will see, but it's really cool. It does have right here, I literally just smacked myself. Okay. I'm okay, guys. So it does have this right here where you can put it on high, low, cool, and off. I'm gonna turn it on, guys. Just FYI, it does make noise. And one thing I want to mention too, guys, is I really love the fact that the cord is about 5 feet long. It's pretty long, so I really appreciate that they make it extra long for me, because especially for this video, I wouldn't be able to do it if it wasn't long enough. So that is pretty cool. So here it is. It says that it's off. You can see the light that says that it's off, and I'm gonna turn it on. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna turn it on to low, and I might turn it on to high. We will see, but let's do this. So you just place it like so, and you go down slowly. And I'm gonna do this for all my hair. So I'm gonna brush my hair out just a little bit so I can show you guys how it looks after I use the blowout. So what I have to say about it is I actually really love it. Basically a blow dryer and a brush in one, which is really cool. This is how it looks, guys, and I have to say I actually really like it. I do recommend this. I think it's a really awesome product. I love the fact that they give you the option of it having cool or hot, and you can put it on low or high. I did actually in the beginning put it on high, and then I turned it to low, and then I actually changed it to cool because it was kind of getting hot. And I do like it. I love the way it makes my hair look sleek, and I don't have like frizz. So far I'm loving it. Now we are gonna move on to the crimper. I'm actually more excited about this one than I am about that one. Like, don't get me wrong, I was really excited about this one, but this one I've been really wanting to get for a long time. I was gonna get it, and they reached out to me, and I was really excited because I'm so eager to try this hair crimper. So it looks like this, and it is pink, and it looks like this. And again, the cord is super long, which I appreciate. I really love this beautiful pink. Now this is locked, so you would have to push this down right here to unlock it. I really like it to stay closed like this when I don't use it, especially for traveling. I don't want it to stay open like this. That would be annoying. And it's just really nice that they added that lock feature. And then it also has the on and off button. And then it has these two buttons where you can make it hotter or, you know, whatever temperature you want it to be. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really excited about this one. This is how the plates look like. Now that I plugged it in, it does say it's off, so I would have to press this to turn it on. So you put it at the temperature that you want it. I want it to be the hottest because I always do that. So I'm gonna have it go up. So as you can see, it is going up really fast, like the temperature is going up, and I can feel like it's getting warm or hot. It does say that it goes up to 355 Fahrenheit. So all you have to do is take a little piece of hair and just place it like so, and just press it down. And every like 4 seconds or so, you have to just keep going down. I wouldn't recommend holding it more than 5 seconds because it does do the job, you know? So it's crimping up really nice, and I really like that they have these little grip right here on both sides where you could put your fingers. I love the fact that it's crimping my hair really fast. You can crimp your whole hair, but how I like to do it is I like to just do it on the top of my head. So this is how it looks. So far, I'm really loving it. Look at this. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. My hair is crimped. It's so nice. Look at this. So I really love it. I love the way it looks. And as you can see, it gives me a lot of volume. I really love this crimper. I definitely recommend both of them, but if you can only get your hands on one, I would recommend the crimper because I think the crimper is really fun. I only crimped the top layer of my hair. I didn't do all of it. You can if you want to, but I mean, for just doing one layer and it giving me so much volume, I think that is really nice. How I would like to style it is to maybe clip it like this, or you can twist it like this and just clip it. Look at the volume, guys. Like, look at that. That is insane. That is all due to the crimper. And then you could do the same for the other side and just have your hair like this. You can have it like this, and just a fun way of doing your hair. And if you guys are interested, I do also have a coupon code. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm also gonna link it down below, so just make sure that you use the coupon code if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.